Hello everyone and welcome to this webinar on coding in Minecraft. My name is Jennifer Brown. I'm the Coding in Minecraft Product Manager. I am a former educator having taught 18 years in many CTE and computer science classes. You'll see my information on the screen. I'll provide it at the end as well, so please reach out after this webinar if you have any further questions. First, let's talk about why coding is so important for our students. We know as educators that computer science is critical for ensuring the future success of the workplace. In fact, 67% of all new jobs that are STEM related are in computing alone. However, we have many schools and districts that have been unable to bring computer science to their students, and teachers who might be willing to help but feel a little underqualified to do so. Looking at the numbers, you'll see that there are over 450,000 open computing jobs nationwide, but only 90,000 computer science students graduated. In fact, computing jobs are the #1 source of new wages in America. We need to teach our students computer science so that they can see if this is a path that they want to pursue, because the jobs are there for them. Beyond jobs, computer science can also teach amazing skills that our students are going to need no matter what job they have in the future. Take a look at this list from this Forbes magazine article. The one I highlighted here, I know that my students did every single time that they were coding. Creativity is one that is often overlooked, but coding is very creative. You're building something brand new, and so you're definitely using those creative muscles. Critical thinking and judgment and decision making happen every single time your students are coding. They're constantly thinking about what is the correct code, is this going to do what I need it to do in the long run, and constantly making decisions over and over during that time. Growth mindset is another huge piece of coding because coding is very iterative. It's rare if the first code you start with is what you end with. So students have to learn that it's okay not to be perfect the first time and learn how to deal with that growth mindset. Interpersonal communication skills is also one that is often overlooked because many people think coders work independently. But it's rare if a program is created by just one person, so you really do have to learn how to code as a team and work as a team. Technology skills is a given, and embracing change goes along with that because technology is constantly changing. So I would tell my students all the time that if they decided that computer science was not a field they wanted to go into, they still had learned valuable skills that are going to help them no matter what they do in their future. In fact, we know that many of the jobs that our students will have in the future don't exist yet. So we can't give them all the knowledge that they're going to need, but what we can do is prepare them with the skills that they're going to need. Skills like problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity. And all of these skills are taught when you're learning how to code. Now let's talk about why game-based learning is a great way for students to learn. Game-based learning is when students are doing their learning while engaged in an immersive environment. Not only are they learning, but they're also building these skills such as problem solving, trial and error, and persistence. And they practice communication and collaboration. It's been shown to have a 12% increase in learning outcomes when that learning is done in a game environment. So why do we use Minecraft education for game-based learning? Minecraft education hits on these 4 pillars, which I think make it to be the best game-based learning environment there is, starting with student engagement. Of Minecraft. And when our students get to learn inside the game of Minecraft, they are completely engaged in their learning. Minecraft grows with students as well. In fact, the average age of a Minecraft player is 24 years old. So no matter their age, students are going to be completely engaged while they're learning inside the game of Minecraft. Provides an ideal space for creative exploration. That's where students are going to try, fail, and try again. And really, a game is a great place for this to happen because students handle the failure so much better in a game. They know you're not supposed to get everything perfect the first time you play a game. They don't feel that same way at school. So when they can learn inside a game, they bring their gamer mind into school, and it really allows for them to grow that skill of persistence. Exploration comes tangible learning outcomes. That's when they finally get the code, they get the puzzle, they solve what they needed to solve, and they have such great satisfaction over what they have accomplished. They love to share what they've built with you. They love to share their code with you because they are so proud of themselves. And Minecraft Education offers such an amazing place for this to happen. Lastly is collaboration. Minecraft Education is designed for students to play together. That doesn't necessarily mean in the same world. They can often help each other outside of their worlds to solve the problems that are happening without having to be in the same world together. Collaboration is key with Minecraft Education, and it really builds a great classroom environment. Now let's put all of those pieces together and talk about coding in Minecraft. Coding in Minecraft is a full credentials and curriculum pathway. It begins with our introduction credential. This is basic block-based coding, but done inside the game of Minecraft. It also includes some digital citizenship, as well as how to work together as a team in a digital environment. Next is our intermediate coding. This is going to be your coding fundamentals, variables, logic, and loops, but done still in that block-based coding environment. We think it's really important that our students are able to focus in on what those fundamentals are and how they work without also having to worry about the syntax of a text-based language. That's going to come in our advanced credential, where we transfer the students from block-based into text-based, and you get to choose whether they go JavaScript or Python. At the end of that pathway is a capstone credential exam. This is a 30-question multiple choice and drag and drop exam that tests the students on the full pathway. Let's talk about high school in a moment, but first I want to focus first where it says the middle school pathway that I just explained. While it does say middle school, it can be done in upper elementary or lower high school as an intro to coding course. It also can be done exactly as you see it from beginning to end as a full academic year course, or it can be done in pieces. You can do it across grade levels, or you can pull out credentials to integrate with other computer science curriculum. You can even use it as enrichment, fast finisher, or fun Friday activities in your classroom, or as an after-school club or summer camp. Now, our high school credential is our expert credential, and that's going to meet over half of the big ideas of the computer science principles course. It's also going to have an expert capstone at the end of that pathway. Coding in Minecraft was created to be easy to teach. We know that there are teachers being asked to teach coding that don't have a coding background, so we created coding in Minecraft in a way where the teacher becomes the facilitator of the learning, and the students can lead their own learning throughout the game of Minecraft. In fact, students are going to do the majority of their work inside the game, so it is full immersive game-based learning. From activities to lessons to assessments, they'll do everything inside Minecraft and only leave the game in order to upload the evidence of their assessment into our online assessment portal, which now has an auto-grade feature to help the teacher with grading as well. All of our curriculum is standards aligned to the CSTA standards as well as a variety of local and state standards, and we provide all the instructor resources you need to get started. Coding in Minecraft works inside of Minecraft Education. Minecraft Education is included with Microsoft 365 education licenses that are A3 or A5. You want to be sure to check with your Office 365 admin to find out what license you have. Even if you're not a Microsoft school district, you may still have a Microsoft license in the background, so please reach out to your IT department. If you don't have a Microsoft license at all, Minecraft Education can be purchased for $5 a student per year. So let's take a look at the Coding in Minecraft student journey. The students are going to start on our web-based portal where they will download their Minecraft world file. They will then import that file directly into Minecraft Education. Here they will interact with a series of characters, or NPCs, non-player characters, who will lead them on their learning journey. They will also have a series of scaffolded activities. These activities will walk the students step by step how to build code that does a certain task. They'll have extra help and be able to check their work as they go. At the end of each lesson is an assessment. This is where the students are going to prove that they learned what they needed to learn through those scaffolded activities. Here they're going to have to build the code themselves. We also build in some problem solving into our assessments so that they can practice those skills as well as that skill of persistence. They can try their code as many times as they need until they get it correct. After the student completes their assessment, they're able to upload that into our online assessment portal. That passes it along to our teacher and gives it a suggested grade. But the teacher is always able to view the code, download it, and run it themselves, and override the auto grader if needed. Earlier I mentioned the capstone credential exam. Again, this is a 30-question multiple choice and drag and drop exam. Now it is fully web-based, so there's nothing you need to install for your students to take the exam. And we do have a practice exam that the students can take as many times as they need to prepare them for the real exam. Once they pass the exam, the students earn their full Coding in Minecraft credential as well as a digital badge. With Coding in Minecraft, we provide you all the instructor resources you need to get started. Lesson plans, course outlines, slide decks, student worksheets. We provide you with everything you need so you don't have to create anything in order to get started with Coding in Minecraft. If you're in Washington, North Carolina, or Alaska, I've got some great news. You can get Coding in Minecraft at no cost, and that includes professional development. If interested, go to the link on the screen that matches your state. No matter where you're located, you can find out more about Coding in Minecraft by going to codingcredentials.com. There you'll find more information, and if you fill out the form at the bottom of the page, you'll get information on how to download a free demo of a lesson so you can try out Coding in Minecraft for yourself. Thank you for attending this webinar. If you have any further questions, please email me at jennifer.brown@prodigylearning.com.